Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beading. I'm making some really fun, sparkly, and wonderful movement earrings that are so easy. I grabbed some charm chain and some 8mm prestige crystal round pearls, and 24 gauge wire is going to be my wire of choice to put this all together. The links on your charm chain are closed, so you're going to need to use cutters to cut off the desired length that you'd like. I used 5 links and cut my 6th, and that will then release a couple of those dangles or charms. I then create a loop with the 24 gauge wire and add those dangles back to the bottom of that loop. That's going to be the bottom of our earring and just create some additional movement and continuity of the design. So you'll wire wrap that on, and then you're going to add one of your pearls. And what you'll want to do next is eyeball where you're going to put your pearl, where you're going to wire wrap it on. And I like to make sure that those 2 little dangles fall on either side of my pearl that I'm going to be adding on. So you'll add that on, and you're just going to wire wrap that pearl right onto the chain. Then the last thing that you need to do is attach your ear wire. Super, super easy, but man, these earrings pack a lot of punch with shine and movement. They're so beautiful. They could be elegant, or they could be something that you wear for a walk in the park. They're really, really beautiful. I hope that you'll give them a try. You can find everything to make these at beadaholic.com. Thanks so much for watching.